This is the ONine leather repair kit. This is the 8.5/11 piece of peel and stick leather here. I'm a repeat buyer of this brand. I've used this before. I used the smaller one last time on a reclining seat. It was the 5x7. This one I'm going to use. It's needed a little bit bigger, so I got the 8.5x11. But you could cut this down the size. You could do a lot with these here. You could see here, just peel and stick on this side here. This is a really nice color leather here. It's called ink black. Comes in a lot of different options. But again, I've used this company before. It just works flawlessly. Basically, you're just going to unpeel it, stick it on the affected area and just push down on it. And then after a while, it just blends right in. You can obviously see wherever the the area that you're going to cut next to the other leather. But if you have like a small rip or tear, this is going to bring a lot more life into the piece of furniture or the chair or whatever you're going to be using this on. Again, you can use this on sofas, car seats, motorcycle seats. It has a lot of different uses. But again, you will notice the little the areas here where it will overlap the normal leather because it's not going to be like stitched on there or anything. But the piece I have on the other piece of furniture on the recliner, it's still holding up after probably well over a year. So very pleased with it. ONine is a great brand if you need to repair your leather, and highly recommend checking this out. Again, this is 8.5x11. This is the ink black, but it comes in several other colors and several other sizes. Highly recommend this company.